Soul Splash Atelier the Art, the first expressive art school. Children aged 4 to 12 years are passing through the most important learning intervals in their lifetime. Infancy has been surpassed and puberty has not arrived for distraction. Most of the brain development and neural network formations take place during these years, so it's use it or lose it time. The base of various aspects of an individual's personality is laid during these years. All of us understand enough architecture to know that a strong foundation is necessary to make a beautiful, lasting, magnificent building. From year 4 onwards, children develop the ability to apply logic and reason. They also exhibit longer and focused attention spans. They can consider multiple perspectives and apply various thought-out strategies. And while they continue to struggle with understanding abstract or hypothetical concepts, children this age can apply mental operations to concrete problems, objects, and events. In short, we can conclude that these are the golden years in any individual's learning. As a parent, art teacher, and therapist, I want to stress upon this fact. We must realize and use this opportunity. At Soul Splash, we entertain, educate, and empower children in realizing their true potential, and the medium used to achieve it is art. We design activities keeping in mind the children's perspective. Simple activities like drawing season seamlessly flow into drawing flowers, bees, birds, trees. The season points to attire associated with it. The attire gives away to an introduction to different cultures and nationalities. Nature, culture, geography flow and merge into each other, taking children on a joyride around the world. Through art, many different ideas, concepts are easily and gradually introduced to the child. Our endeavor here is not to produce better artists, but to introduce the child to multiple dimensions of life. Through art, we help children take the path of self-discovery, personal fulfillment, and empowerment, and in certain cases, relaxation and symptom relief. Here, art is a form of catharsis, releasing suppressed emotions in order to bring out emotional and psychological relief. Art as expression, as an outing of what is inside us. As we learn to draw, we draw not to see, but see correctly. And that means a great deal more than just looking with the eye. The eye trains the mind and the mind trains the eye. Invest 24 hours with us to enhance your child's creativity, imagination, smoothen his learning, and bring about emotional and psychological balance.